Welcome back, Saki Canva family. Today I'm going to walk you through how to register onto CodeVita so that you stand the chance of being crowned world's best coder. First up, you will go onto Saki Canva Foundation's Instagram page where you will click on the link in our bio which will take you to the TCS CodeVita website. Please note that registrations for CodeVita will end on the 23rd of Jan 2022. Click on the Register Now link to start the process. You will be taken to a sign into your account page and you can register yourself as a new user. You will choose rest of the world and then fill in the form with your details. So you'll start off with your first name as well as your last name and the email you'd like to be contacted by. Scroll down and then choose a unique username as well as a password that nobody can guess. When choosing your password, make sure that you use a capital letter, a special character and a number. Make sure that you consent to TCS processing your personal data and then go on to register. Continue on to select your region or country, which will be Middle East and Africa. You may now read through the terms and conditions and click accept. You will then be required to verify your email address. Click on the registration confirmation email and then scroll down to the link to email address verification and click on this link. You will now be required to fill in some key information on your profile. Choose the option for your academic year of graduation. Please note that registration is only open to those who will graduate between 2020 and 2025. Go ahead and choose your country where you are studying and insert your institution's name. You have now saved your profile successfully. You will now land on a guidelines page where you will have some information on the instructions, the eligibility criteria, as well as the coding language that you would like to compete in. All the best to those who will be registering.